Hey everyone, Chris Room with the Ruhm-Insurance Agency, licensed independent insurance agent located in Cincinnati, Ohio. Currently hold a license in 19 states. Today I'm going to quickly talk about an alternative to Obamacare, the marketplace, the Affordable Care Act, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes it's not affordable. And I'm not just talking about the premium, I'm also talking about the high out-of-pocket exposure. So what I'm about to show you is something that I'm new to. So even though I'm licensed in 19 states, I only have my Ohio license right now, or not my license, but an appointment, but I can add to states where it is available. So if this is something that is intriguing to you, schedule an appointment or just shoot me a quote, get a quote request, or you can come down here and just fill in my contacts. All right, let's just dive into the product. This is a fixed indemnity product. It is health insurance. It does not meet the Obamacare requirements for the 10 essential health benefits. So if you're looking for maternity coverage or something along those lines, this isn't going to be the right option for you. This is pretty much for healthy people that are looking to save money because they're not getting any help on the marketplace exchange. So let me just show you a 50-year-old quote on all the products. This is a marketplace slash Affordable Care Act plan for a 50-year-old male in Cincinnati, Ohio. $476 a month with a $9,450 deductible is the absolute cheapest plan you can get. All right. And you're going to spend $9,450 before it covers anything. The policies I'm about to show you as an alternative, again, this is not as good as Obamacare in terms of gaps. There are a few gaps, that could happen. But if you're comfortable with them and the savings is worth it to you, it's a very nice alternative to the Affordable Care Act that's not always so affordable. So the first thing you're going to do is going to start with a specified disease policy. Okay. And the coverage is for the following here. So if you want to pause your video now, go ahead and pause it. But I'm going to try and do this quick because I know our attention spans on videos aren't so very long. But basically, you have coverage for up to 25 to up to 250,000, and you can select different deductibles. And I'll show you some rates here in a second on this 50-year-old. Here's some additional benefits for the hospital. So it's a really solid disease for a lot of different diseases. Most importantly, cancer, heart, diabetes, stroke. So those are the major things that we kind of come across, but there are a lot of other nice additional features. The second thing you're going to want to add to this possibly is a affordable cost solution. This helps additionally with hospital confinement, ICU, inpatient doctor visits, surgical operation, and things like that. Okay. And again, there are different levels that you can do. But basically, hospitals $4,000 a day starting out, which isn't bad. Days 6 through 30, it's 2,000. Days 31 through 180, 500. All right. There's some additional benefits in here that are really nice. And then last but not least, if you have an accident, well, you're going to need that cover too. And that's where you get the accident policy. So you're really covering all three important areas of our medical needs. There is a network with this. You can go out of network, but the best pricing is with using doctors in this. So they can actually submit the claim to the doctors. You'll get the negotiated rate, and this will pay your benefit or pay it to you. And so if you have an accident that's only 2,000, this pays 4, you're going to pocket $2,000 potentially. So just a really nice alternative to the marketplace. Just to show you what a quote looks like real quick for this. Where's my shopping cart? So the specified disease is $98 for a $100,000 policy. It's pretty, with a $1,000 deductible. Again, we can go up to $250 if you're more comfortable with that. The affordable cost solution that I put in is 104, and the accident policy is the richest of the accident policies for $11 more. It makes sense. So your total monthly cost is $269.05. One other option that you can do with this, which is a really cool option, for $92 more, Christian Health Share Ministries has a catastrophic benefit plan. It's a health sharing, it's not insurance, but it's a $92 a month benefit or a $92 a month plan, and you have a $10,000 cost sharing. But all these benefits built into this will help cover that $10,000 that would be out of your pocket. So once you hit the 10,000 with the health share ministry, it covers a large portion of benefits after that. And the best case scenario or the worst case scenario, if this policy comes into effect for you and you need to jump over to the exchange at the end of the year or the marketplace or Obamacare, you can do that during the open enrollment, which is 11/1 through 12/15. Actually, it's 11/1 through 1/15, depending on when you get your policy started. But yeah, you can wait all the way until January 15th, but your policy wouldn't start till 2/1. So you have a 2.5 month window to get a policy every year, and you could then continue to use this to help pay for your Obamacare policy if you needed to, or you could drop this and just go this route. But maybe you'll need a hip replacement before you turn 65, and maybe this policy isn't the best. But anyways, we'll go into more detail if this is something of interest. I'm just trying to keep this short and sweet. Again, my name is Chris Ruhm with the Ruhm-Insurance Agency, providing alternative solutions to the marketplace, Affordable Care Act, Obamacare. And again, if you need to reach me, you can come to chrisruhm.com, and I have all kinds of links. So if you want to come get a quote, you can do all of the above right here. All right. Look forward to hearing from you. And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye-bye.